Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to save the chat in a Zoom room or a Zoom meeting. So if you're in a Zoom room, right now I'm in my own Zoom room, which I'm the host of, but you can do this as a participant as well. All right, so after the meeting is over, there's some stuff in the chat that I want to make sure I save. Now, if you are recording the meeting, or even if you're not recording the meeting, the chat will automatically be saved after the meeting in your Zoom account. But if you want to save it right now in the meeting, you can navigate to the chat and find the three dots right above the type message here. The three dots right above the type message here will give you a save chat option. Now this will save to your computer, and once you open up, you'll notice it saves as a TXT file, and then you can open it up and you have the chat saved. I hope this video was helpful for you on how to save the chat in a Zoom meeting or a Zoom room. If it was, go ahead and like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things being classy. Catch you in the next video.